Removing tartar from your teeth is essential to maintaining a healthy smile. So, if you're wondering about the best ways to deal with plaque, you're in the right place. Before we dive into the #1 top treatment for plaque, let's quickly understand what tartar is and why it's important to keep it under control. Tartar, or dental plaque, is a stubborn layer of bacteria that can build up on your teeth over time. If left untreated, it can lead to cavities, gum disease, and even bad breath. Can be solution. Now, the #1 top plaque remedy is something you probably have in your kitchen right now: baking soda. Baking soda isn't just for baking. It's a powerful and natural remedy for removing tartar and maintaining oral health. Baking soda works by neutralizing the acids in your mouth and creating an alkaline environment that prevents bacterial growth. It also has a mild abrasive action that helps remove plaque and stains from your teeth. Here's an easy DIY recipe you can try at home. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water to make a paste. Use the paste to brush your teeth for about 2 minutes thoroughly, just like you would with regular toothpaste. Now, a few tips for using baking soda effectively. #1. Moderation is key. Use this remedy 2 to 3 times a week to avoid overuse. #2. Rinse thoroughly. After brushing, make sure to rinse your mouth thoroughly to remove any residue. #3. Baking soda works best when included in your oral care routine along with brushing and flossing. So there you have it, the #1 greatest plaque remedy, baking soda. It's an affordable, natural, and effective solution to help keep your smile bright and healthy. Baking soda neutralizes acids, inhibits bacterial growth, and gently removes plaque and stains. Remember to use it in moderation and in conjunction with your regular oral care routine for best results. If you found this information useful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more oral health tips, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next video. Goodbye for now.